Hi guys, I just wanted to introduce you to the new page on our PBIS website. This is our first 9-week admin menu. To show your kids, you'll just click the arrow here and that will enlarge the menu, and you'll be able to discuss each of these items is going to cost 50 Bulldog bucks. Then once the children have decided if they want to purchase, you'll come down here to the first 9 weeks admin menu Google form, and you will type your name. So I'm just going to do mine to show you. You'll type your grade level, and I suggest you also keep a list in your classroom just in case we have technical difficulties. For each child, I'd like you to number them and then just put the child's name. So I'm going to put myself, and then maybe Mrs. Kiprotich, whichever kids decide they want to buy. So you just click in each area. If no one buys anything, you leave that area blank, and you go through and number and put their first and last name. So maybe Ellen Doolittle wants the popsicle party, and Laura Sullivan. I'm using my team's names. They don't know it, but I'm just trying to go quickly. So you'll just go through, type each person who wants something, and then you'll scroll to the bottom. This is just a regular scroll bar, and you'll hit submit. And when you submit, it will send it to me, and I'll be able to follow. And you'll have another one pop up to say submit another response. You shouldn't need to do that. You should be fine once you've finished. If for some reason you have another child and want to add on, then I think it might be easier to just contact me about that, or I guess you could submit another one with your name at the top. You wouldn't have to fill in everybody again. But I just wanted to show you how to use the new Google form and the Google slide for the first 9-week admin menu. Thanks, guys. If you need any help, just contact me. In case you didn't know, this is Jeannie Ann Carrington, and I'm in the very last portable 144. So if you need anything, just find me. Thanks. Bye.